import circular air. So, all right. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we need to talk about some air handling. So alright, in the past 2 weeks, have had this come up twice, so I've decided that now's the time to talk about it. So circular air handling of importing a module. So alright, super very important. And this, it was the exact same problem. 2 different modules, two different scenarios. So string. All right. So look at that. So we can't. So what the issue was is read online post. Actually, no, sorry, it was a comment on the video. Somebody was looking for letter.ascii and they were getting a circular error. And then a tutoring student was trying to import Pygame and it was giving them their error. And after the second one, I knew exactly where to look. Super important. Don't use the same name. So, all right. What they did is their test file, they were naming their Python file the same as their module. You cannot do that. So make sure you are not using the same file name as the module to import, okay? It will fail. So I had a problem. I struggled at the beginning. Maybe I will do a video on this, variable names, because I struggled with that too. So make sure that you're not using test, you're not using module names. Date them. I date them as the name of the project that you're wanting to do, but do not name your Python file the same name as the module, or you will get an import circular error. So all right. So if this quite didn't make any sense today, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests. And please pass this along to anybody, because this is super important. And the more advanced we are getting, the more of these things we're going to have to deal with. So please make sure you're hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell, and dropping any comments down below and sharing this with everybody. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.